Recently, portable air conditioners have grown more popular due to their increasing affordability and flexibility in design. These self-contained, freestanding units provide high efficiency levels, are compact in size, and are relatively easy to move from one location to another, since they don't require fixed installation. Selecting a model that will handle the job affordably, efficiently, and reliably is a simple process. The portable air conditioner selection process in 3 easy steps: measure, match, and check. Begin the process by measuring your room size. Calculate the length by width in feet to come up with the total square footage of the space to be cooled. Next, you'll want to match your room size with the BTU rating required to meet your cooling needs. It is very important to check the electrical requirements by verifying your outlet configuration to determine if your circuit is adequate. Most units have casters, so they can be easily transported to any room you desire. Installation is a snap, as portable air conditioners include a large, flexible vent hose that attaches to a window slider kit for exhausting hot air, much like the way a clothes dryer is vented. If practical portability and ease of use is what you're looking for, this might just be the perfect option for you. From digital thermostats and remote controls to variable fan speeds and operating modes, Perfect Aire offers one of the most comprehensive product lines in the industry.
Video Shopping Network, an Amazon affiliate. To see this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description below. You'll be able to see current pricing, product reviews, and any special deals. Desktop users should see the Amazon quick link below the video. Mobile users will need to click the little down arrow below the video first.